Let's take question 5 and 6. We have that given that x to the power of negative n raised to the power of 4 is equals to 1 over x to the power of 6. Now this positive index, let's put it, rewrite this in a negative form as a negative index. So this becomes x to the power, here we can multiply product power law. So negative n times 4 will give us negative 4n. So this x raised to the power of negative 4n is equals to this 1 over x to the power of 6 written as a negative index is the same thing as x to the power of negative 6. Now since they have the same base, equate the powers. So our negative 4n is equals to negative 6. To find n, our n will be equals to divide both sides by 4. It will be negative 6 over negative 4. Negative and negative will cancel. What can divide 4 and 6? 2. So 2 in 2, 4, 2. 2 in 6, 3. So our n is equals to 3 over 2. That's option C. Let's look at this other question. This one says 1 over, we should find k. 1 over 3 into bracket k minus 4 minus 1 over 2 into bracket k plus 1 is less than 1 over 6. So to solve for k, the first thing I have here, this is 3, this is 2, this is 6. Multiply each of the terms by the LCM of the denominator. In other words, let's clear the fractions. And the LCM of 3, 2, and 6 is 6. So I multiply that. This is 1 over 3 into bracket k minus 4 times 6 minus 1 over 2 k plus 1 times 6 less than 1 over 6 times 6. So this is 3 here, 1. 3 in 6 is 2. So I'm left with 2 into bracket k minus 4 minus 2 here, 1. 2 in 6, 3. Minus 3 into bracket k plus 1 less than 6 here, 1. 6 here, 1. Less than 1. Now, let's expand the bracket. So 2 times k, that's 2k minus 2 times negative 4, that's negative 8, minus 3 times k, that's negative 3k, negative 3 times positive 1, that's negative 3, is less than 1. So from here, this is 2k minus 3k minus 8 minus 3 less than 1. 2k minus 3k, that's negative k. So this is negative k. This minus this, that's negative 11 less than 1. Add 11 to both sides to remove this. So this becomes negative k is less than 1 plus 11. So negative k is less than 12. But we're not interested in negative k. We are asked to find the value of k. So divide this by negative 1 or multiply both terms or both sides by the coefficient of k, which is negative 1. So when you multiply it, take note, this is where some students make mistake. When you multiply it or divide through by negative 1, the sign changes. If you divide by a negative, the sign, inequality sign changes. If it was less than, after dividing, it will turn to greater than. So this is greater than negative 12. If it was greater than, if you have divided, it will turn to less than. So since this one is less than, once we have divided it by negative 1, the inequality sign changes. So k is greater than negative 12, which is option D.